Everybody hustle.
I've never felt so good in a long while. I feel like a teenager.
Almost, my dear. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Yes.
Conscious time. Well, I'm Maccabee and I'm MC. I tell the truth and I tell reality. Conscious lyrics are my speciality, and I do it to the best of my ability. Lyrics to shock you like electricity. Lyrics of peace and love and humanity. Lyrics of freedom, right and equality. Lyrics of also going on in the society. In my side, check it right, get them move. Why Solombi? Charlie, these girls are becoming troublesome.
Oh, why you fear competition? My dear, it's their time. You learn to play the game at your level.
But the fact is, only a few men will not be swayed by these beautiful bodies displayed.
Oh, come on.
She must be one of them.
Expensive. Very expensive.
Sugar daddy?
Oh, not necessarily. Come on.
I know what for. Charlie,
take it easy. But say, Charlie, talking about our whole thing, those guys at the tennis court. Oh my word! Talk about muscles and six-pack. Oh my God!
Just like my Pedro.
Pedro?
My Kizomba instructor.
What about him? Grace, don't tell me you have been doing things.
Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
But Mama, I feel guilty.
Grace, tell me the truth, you've done it.
But
tell me.
Anytime I see this boy, my heart beats like a locomotive engine. Chuku chaka.
Who does I
Ça va, ça va. Tu es très belle. Merci. You're back.
No hairdo. Why, you don't look happy to have seen me.
Oh, it's not that.
Anyway, the queue was so long at hair salon. I'd rather spend the time studying.
Oh, okay. Have you been to She's?
She's?
Yeah.
She's?
Yeah. It's this classic place owned by a woman called Mama She.
Really? Mama She, I don't know.
She's tough but sweet and it gives excellent service. Let me call her.
Oh, don't worry. I'll check it out later. I finally decided to fix my hair on Sunday, so that can wait.
Oh, okay then.
Hold on. Who have you been entertaining?
A host passed by and we shared a drink.
Really?
Yeah.
So what have you been up to?
Assignments. Yeah.
Assignments?
Yes.
Who are you hiding in here? You have that naughty look. I know something's going down. And you know I'll find out in the end, so out with it.
There's nothing to find out, Chantal. Your imagination just went overdrive. I've got to stay.
Hey, why are you locking the door? You've definitely trapped something. Happy hunting.
Sam, are you sure you left them out there?
Where else?
Because I've looked everywhere and I can't seem to find them. She has them. I'll be back.
I'll do it there.
Say that again. Grace, this baby has really made our relationship very solid.
Yes, he's not changed.
Don't go there.
Yo, Manu Bokiti.
Ah.
Hey, babes.
Honey.
I gotta go.
You're leaving?
Yeah, I put her to sleep.
Wada?
Yes.
Okay.
You guys have brought me so much joy.
Oh.
Hey, Grace, that's saying.
Oh, by the grace of God, I'm all right.
Okay.
Hey, Yofi. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, Yofi, why if a party? Yofi,
All right,
thank
then.
you.
So I'm leaving.
Take care, love.
I love
Thank you.
Always.
Yofi, bye-bye.
Hey. I'll handle those. Go and pack the things. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Sorry. Catch me out then.
Oh, Abiba, sorry about earlier. I was way out of line.
That's all right. I know you mean well.
Hey, wow, Sadia is really in charge.
Madame herself.
Oh, you've really trained this girl.
As for that other one, your friend is saying Alima said ha! She's a different kettle of fish though.
No one getting sir.
Hey, now some you're different.
Yeah, and you're so. And I want pound for one.
So name is starting a gradual.
Minimum.
And you pace.
Minimum. Abiba.
Yeah. Put this thing off whenever you are in the shop. Do you understand me? You have to be very careful the things you do with your face, else Alima, you'll be sorry.
I've done nothing with my face.
Oh yeah? Then you have a problem. You have a very big problem.
Sister Sadia, please don't insult me.
You don't want to be insulted, right? Good. Then you do the right things here always in this shop. If a customer comes in here, you provide them with the best attraction you have and you will smile. Do you understand me? You will smile. Now let's go inside. It's your yes. Doesn't understand thing.
Sadia Margaret Thatcher. A brofu penny. So oh why are there? We're training. You've done so well. Now then why you don't
Mireille Fika, I need to send my assignment to my lecturer.
I really admire your energy. Way to go, girl.
Grace, next year by this time, I'll have my diploma.
Oh, yeah?
Ultimately, I want to do my master's. And then lecture one day.
Anyway, after what you've been through, getting a master's is like a knife through butter.
Grace, I want to teach these little ones hard work, determination, integrity, and...
Abiba, I can see you are very serious.
Hey, enough about me. Now let's go to you. Chemi, what is happening in your world? Chemi.
Pedro.
What?
My Kizomba instructor. Kizomba has been a revelation.
Are you doing?
No. But there is a twist. Nowadays, Simpson comes home 5 p.m. sharp.
5.
The sneakers, Chantal. Give them to me.
Which sneakers?
What sneakers? Don't play games with me. I know you have them. Please hand them over.
And the funny twist is that these sneakers are not even matching Albert's size. So now tell me, who is in your room barefooted like that?
It's none of your business. Just give them to me.
You think you're smart, but I caught you. Your sneakers.
Oh, thank you.
Some studying.
You don't know what you're talking about, so just save it.
Just be careful. You're not labeled a village mattress, that's all.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, village mattress. Mattress for the village. Which other explanation do you need?
I won't mind you, Chantal. You can't let your imagination loose.
Well, I'm off.
It's not safe.
I have to prepare lunch.
For who? Where? What?
Simpson is coming home for lunch.
Eh?
And when he comes, he doesn't want only lunch.
Hey! Times have really changed. So tell me, what's the trick?
I took Osopho's advice.
That's...
Take control. Add value. Be more independent and exciting. And he'll come running back.
Where are you?
I want to buy something. Do you have ketchup?
You want ketchup?
Yeah.
No, just that.
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll give you something better.
Okay.
Habiba, oh baby, have you? She is hot.
But good for the business, though.
Hey, in India, shine your eye. Before I forget, did I hear Yofi saying I should take you to the gym? Then take him seriously.
What are you saying?
He goes to the gym, right?
Yes, every night after work.
Exactly. Can you imagine the talent he sees there?
Grace, you are at it again. Oh dear, they be some say
Hey, Abiba, some of these girls are looking really good, oh.
Listen, my Yofi is not a body man. He's a brain man.
Brain man. Abiba, please don't underestimate the potential of a woman's bodily assets.
Are you saying that? Me, I don't have assets.
Oh, you have something. Abiba, assets no will be. But my dear, assets undeveloped loses their value. VVIP.
You have completed SHS, right?
Yes, Auntie Aliva.
Good. Then you should be able to answer these questions. Hey, where is oil found?
Under sea or earth?
Gold, diamond, pearls. Where are they found?
Mainly under the earth or sea.
Hidden, safe, very hard to get. Right? It's just like the woman body. It is the most precious thing on earth, therefore making it very hard to get. Alima, it should be kept safe, wrapped, hidden. See, from today, you are going to dress like a decent woman. Have you heard? Zuma!
Macho man. See you. Charlie, how are you? Charlie, your body they come. Hey, mademoiselle. Ça va?
Oui, ça va.
Yeah.
Et toi?
Oui, MP. I can see you're working out.
Oui, il faut.
That's good. Anyway, I'll see you later, yeah? All right. Hey, look at you. Cool. You're working hard, huh?
Trying.
Nice. Hey, Chantel baby.
Hey, Yuppie.
What's up?
How are you?
I see you're working hard.
You know, no pain, no gain.
I know, right? Are you leaving already?
Oh no, I'm just gonna work on my legs now.
Oh, okay, good. You know, let me go to the changing room and come back.
All right.
Then we can continue our conversation from last time. Huh?
That should be interesting.
All right then. Chantel baby. Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Lucky you.
I know, right? But that's not me. That's Bob Marley talking.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm in love though.
Hey, really?
Yeah. I'm completely besotted by my partner, Abiba.
Wow, she's a lucky woman.
Yeah, I know.
Did you hear you say partner?
I thought you two had a child.
Yeah. My beautiful daughter, Inshira. I love her so much. But we won't...
No, don't worry. I'm not judging.
Okay.
I'm actually impressed.
Really?
Because you don't look the settling type.
The settling type. What other type do we have?
You look more of the take and leave type.
Take and leave.
Anyway, I'm gonna work on my tricep. See you later.
All right, I'll join you. Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Do it, keep doing it. Yeah, just slow. Yeah.
It's not easy, yeah?
Let's go. I know, it's hard, yes, just... You know, next Thursday is Abiba's birthday and I want to surprise her.
Oh, so I think you should line your bed with roses. She'll love it.
You think so?
Get some rosy wine too.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, you know.
VVIP.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pound me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead and